Hello everyone and welcome back to Podcast English. Ready for another powerful speaking session? Today we have a brand new shadowing practice designed to push your English fluency even further. This is a complete workout for your mouth and mind. Just like last time, the method is simple but incredibly effective. All you have to do is listen carefully to what I say and repeat it exactly, copied from my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. We are training your brain and muscles to think and speak directly in English without translating in your head first. I will say each new sentence 2 times. Your job is to listen the first time and then shadow loudly the second time. Or shadow both times if you feel confident. Mistakes are not a problem. They are a sign that you are pushing your limits. Stay with me until the very end. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let's begin this new journey with Podcast English. Here are your new sentences. I am excited to learn something new today. I am excited to learn something new today. My potential to grow is limitless. My potential to grow is limitless. Every challenge I face is an opportunity. Every challenge I face is an opportunity. I choose to focus on the present moment. I choose to focus on the present moment. Learning a language is a rewarding journey. Learning a language is a rewarding journey. I am becoming more fluent every single day. I am becoming more fluent every single day. I am proud of my consistency and dedication. I am proud of my consistency and dedication. Mistakes are just feedback on my path to success. Mistakes are just feedback on my path to success. I treat myself with kindness and understanding. I treat myself with kindness and understanding. I trust the process of long-term learning. I trust the process of long-term learning. Today, I will use my English with courage. Today, I will use my English with courage. I wake up with a grateful heart. I wake up with a grateful heart. This day is full of positive possibilities. This day is full of positive possibilities. I nourish my body with healthy choices. I nourish my body with healthy choices. I am calm, focused, and ready for work. I am calm, focused, and ready for work. I am building a better version of myself. I am building a better version of myself. I take small breaks to refresh my mind. I take small breaks to refresh my mind. My goals are clear and I am achieving them. My goals are clear and I am achieving them. I bring positive energy to everyone I meet. I bring positive energy to everyone I meet. This practice session is making me stronger. This practice session is making me stronger. I find a peaceful spot to focus on my breath. I find a peaceful spot to focus on my breath. I am creating new habits for my English. I am creating new habits for my English. My ears are training to hear new sounds. My ears are training to hear new sounds. My tongue feels light and natural when I speak. My tongue feels light and natural when I speak. I enjoy reading interesting stories in English. I enjoy reading interesting stories in English. Learning English connects me to the world. Learning English connects me to the world. I am developing a confident speaking voice. I am developing a confident speaking voice. This time for myself is valuable. This time for myself is valuable. I accept who I am right now. I accept who I am right now. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. My coworkers enjoy speaking with me. My coworkers enjoy speaking with me. I express my ideas clearly at meetings. I express my ideas clearly at meetings. I am a valuable member of my team. I am a valuable member of my team. It is safe for me to ask for help. It is safe for me to ask for help. New vocabulary comes naturally to me. New vocabulary comes naturally to me. I remember words when I need them. I remember words when I need them. I enjoy the music and sounds of English. I enjoy the music and sounds of English. I look forward to meeting new English speakers. I look forward to meeting new English speakers. I find useful resources online for my study. I find useful resources online for my study. I am creating a supportive learning environment. I am creating a supportive learning environment. My speaking becomes smoother with each session. My speaking becomes smoother with each session. I have an open mind for cultural differences. I have an open mind for cultural differences. I feel relaxed when starting a conversation. I feel relaxed when starting a conversation. I ask open-ended questions to learn more. I ask open-ended questions to learn more. I am comfortable with silent moments. I am comfortable with silent moments. I listen with my full attention. I listen with my full attention. I find common ground with others. I find common ground with others. I feel connected to the speaker. I feel connected to the speaker. My body language shows confidence. My body language shows confidence. It is easy for me to make new friends. It is easy for me to make new friends. I can find a hotel using my English. I can find a hotel using my English. I can read train schedules accurately. I can read train schedules accurately. I can order local food on my travels. I can order local food on my travels. I feel safe traveling alone with my English. I feel safe traveling alone with my English. I love discovering new places. I love discovering new places. I make great memories on my trips. I make great memories on my trips. I handle difficult situations calmly. I handle difficult situations calmly. My pronunciation is clear and understandable. My pronunciation is clear and understandable. I can negotiate effectively on the phone. I can negotiate effectively on the phone. I schedule appointments without stress. I schedule appointments without stress. I explain my needs clearly to the other person. I explain my needs clearly to the other person. It is okay to double-check information. It is okay to double-check information. I receive helpful answers from customer service. I receive helpful answers from customer service. My questions are always important. My questions are always important. I feel confident when introducing myself. I feel confident when introducing myself. I can end a call politely and professionally. I can end a call politely and professionally. Mistakes are my stepping stones to success. Mistakes are my stepping stones to success. I move past my mistakes quickly. I move past my mistakes quickly. I focus on the message, not just the grammar. I focus on the message, not just the grammar. My brain is powerful and adaptable. My brain is powerful and adaptable. I give myself space to think. I give myself space to think. Fear is a feeling I can observe and release. Fear is a feeling I can observe and release. I am strong and capable of learning. I am strong and capable of learning. My comfort zone is expanding every day. My comfort zone is expanding every day. I am strong and capable of learning. I can dream big because I am improving. I can dream big because I am improving. English opens my heart to new perspectives. English opens my heart to new perspectives. I want to explore cultural events internationally. I want to explore cultural events internationally. I am building better career opportunities. I am building better career opportunities. I enjoy the process of becoming an independent speaker. I enjoy the process of becoming an independent speaker. I can listen to inspiring talks without translation. I can listen to inspiring talks without translation. I share my authentic self with others in English. I share my authentic self with others in English. I believe in the power of persistent action. I believe in the power of persistent action. My progress makes my family proud. My progress makes my family proud. Every repetition strengthens my language memory. Every repetition strengthens my language memory. This practice session is a valuable investment in my future. This practice session is a valuable investment in my future. Congratulations! You have completed another comprehensive shadowing workout with Podcast English. You didn't just listen, you showed up, worked hard, and took another giant step toward your fluency goals. Remember, consistency is everything. Every sentence you repeated today helped rewire your brain to think directly in English. If you feel tired, that's perfect. It means you genuinely engaged your muscles and your focus. You can come back to this session whenever you want a challenging speaking practice. If you completed this full workout, let us know in the comments by writing, "I finished this practice session." We would love to celebrate your commitment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Podcast English, and share this supportive practice with a friend who is also improving their English. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep pushing, keep believing, and keep speaking. You are creating your own fluency. This is Podcast English, and I'll see you in the next video.